just so everybody knows, we actually got to Texas 2K, even though the car gave us a fight and tried not to be here. I stayed up till late in the morning every single day after work just trying to get this car here. Last night till 4 o'clock in the morning, got 2 hours of sleep, 5-hour energies, and now we're here at Texas 2K with the Bullet. Matt, Bruce Trans Am, we got the Rat Rod over here. Now unfortunately these two cars don't run. Mine is running it at the moment. All my buddies are laughing at me, but we're gonna get ready to do some qualifying because we only got one qualifying pass today because we got here so late, and then hopefully the car does good. I don't know what it's gonna do. I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. Andy barely.
It takes a real man to drive this truck.
Drive it.
That ain't you. Who's gonna drive it?
Let's see. Get your Flintstone feet ready.
Hey, I'll help you push. It's too fast already. I'll just tell you what. I mean, on Bullet's door.
You gotta start him on wastegate because he could barely handle the nitrous.
He doesn't have wastegates. They're there.
Oh, yeah.
It's different. Just gonna let it. It's different technology.
Let it.
Drill holes. Bluetooth technology. Drill holes in it. That'd be custom. Oh man. Now we'll see. I think his. You said there were what?
Jesus
5
Christ.
pounds?
Oh.
I know when that camera's on now. I'm like, hold up.
So, let me ask you, how's it like to be famous? Because apparently you're getting some attention today, huh?
I'm the most popular tranny here.
Yeah. I believe it. Ooh, that car is looking good. What changes did you make since we last saw it?
So we added the billet valve covers, came 2 days ago. They're a little taller than the factory, so we got to cut all this out.
Oh, you clear? You got to clear.
Yeah, we're gonna cut all this out. We got this little turbo. You don't want to see that.
Oh my God! I didn't even see that freaking monster.
That little guy.
Oh Jesus!
Just a little 94. You might want to look that way. Got custom PVC pipes holding it up.
6-inch PVC pipe.
That's gonna suck in a lot of squirrels. That's for sure.
A lot of squirrels.
We're trying to find all the little knickknacks, little leaks here and there, fix them so we can make the qualifying hit in a little bit. But for now, Andy's just gonna have to sit in the wet spot. You made a mess over there, buddy.
Okay.
You made a mess.
So one more time.
Alright, so we got a quick update. We're in the staging lanes. Last round of qualifying, because that's the only round we were able to make, fighting all the issues that we did. So we're here. We're going to make a hit. I have zero idea what it's going to do, what it's going to lay down. We think we know based on the old setup, but it should be more efficient, so no idea. We'll have to see. But we make pass and go from there. We got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is that we ran an okay pass for coming off the trailer, not knowing what it was gonna do. The bad news is that we get to do it again. That's not really bad news, but we get to do it again tomorrow because we're going to be, I believe, we gotta go check, but we're gonna be in the Class B. We ran an I-0 at 121. Ran faster in the 8th mile, but it actually hung up in between the second and third shift. I think it's due to the linkage, so we're gonna check that in the morning. But it went second, and it just went I was on a limiter. I had to force it into third, and it was a big deal. So we're gonna fix that in the morning to make sure that it's nice and clean, so that we can put some power down. Because it left good, got a 1/260 foot, but there's still so much power left on the table, and the track's holding. So I think we're gonna turn it up just a little bit and get down the road. So that's it for tonight. We're gonna pack up, get ready for tomorrow, which you'll see now. Back at at TX2K in the morning. We had to rush a little bit to get here, but we're here. The car's ready. We had to do a couple small adjustments. First round, looks like we got to Class B with our 9.0 pass. First round, we're running this, I think it's a red Mustang, but I'm not sure exactly where he's at. Look at that guy right there.
Number 8 qualifier.
But, so we're waiting for him to show up. If he doesn't show up, I think I get the bye. So just waiting for him to come up so we can get ready. They're getting ready to go. We're gonna make a pass. See how it goes.
So the 5 to a
The next set of streetcars.
8:55. Valerie Woods, her quickest pass weekend for a block.
So we came, TX2K, we pushed as hard as we could. Obviously, it didn't work in our favor. The car did a monster wheelie, started trekking left. I should have let out of it a little sooner than I did. It started fishing on me and I smacked the wall. This is one of those risks that you take every time you get in this driver's seat. Luckily, the cage, the car, it kept me safe. I'm good, no problems there. But the car is hurt body-wise and a little bit on the suspension on the front. The thing that sucks is the feeling of letting down people that help you through this process. Everybody helped us put so much time and effort into getting this car ready, and unfortunately, it was my mistake. I made this happen, but I'm gonna learn from it. We're gonna adjust. We're definitely gonna fix the car and go from there. Do me a favor, hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you're looking for any kind of merch. We got our shirts, we got our hats back in stock. We did sell a lot here at 2K, so we're doing okay on stock. But if you need anything, hit me a shout. Help us get the car fixed again, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna get home. I'm not gonna do any working. We're gonna take some time off, figure out the plan. We'll make a video on how to get this thing fixed, and we'll go from there.